Hey, what's going on, everybody? You're watching another episode of Man versus
Corinne versus apples. And there's a bee.
there's a on the camera.
It is officially autumn.
The season has begun, which means that the apple fields are open. Boom.
That's right, today we're gonna be attempting a Pinterest Halloween legend, the Shrunken apple head. You've seen this one before.
Legendary.
I can't believe we've never tried it before.
Oh, here we are.
So let's get started, shall we?
Jesus, you almost broke the goddamn camera.
There's a lot of apples here.
Yeah, but they're all gross.
They're just dirty.
No, these apples look like f***ing shit. It's the worst looking apple I've ever seen in my life. I don't like any of these f***ing apples.
I don't like it. These are all bad apples.
That's the one shining in the light.
That's bird poop on it?
Yep, that's bird poop. That's a big f***ing apple. The size of your head. That's crazy. Why? I can't even reach that. Oh, God.
Oh, no, I don't like that one anymore.
What?
It's definitely confirmed. You're just a big apple.
Yeah, almost supermodel size. Oh, shit. There it is. Do you see it?
Oh, wow, that is a good one.
Huh? You're not picking shit.
How many do you even need? This is like already too many apples.
No, we need at least 50 more apples
50?
for what we're doing. Yeah.
Galaxy apple.
Quick, think of an apple pun. Oh yeah, that one's calling my name.
Look how pretty these apples are. They must get waxed.
All right, we got enough apples here. I know a real good way to get rid of a lot of these apples real quick.
Wait, what? Why are we getting rid of them?
Oh, you'll see. There's an apple cannon.
Nice.
All right, back to the house. We're making apple things. What are we making again?
I don't remember.
All right. And we're back, and it's Halloween. We've got the cobwebs, we've got the spiders, we've got the lights, the candles, the skulls. The fucking cat ears are back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Halloween.
Let's get started, shall we? Why did I say it like that? I don't know.
Because it's Halloween.
Let's get started, shall we?
Now you gotta feel it. First step is we've got to skin the apple.
So you have a nice looking apple.
Yeah,
there.
no, solid.
You're suggesting to peel it.
I'm not suggesting, I'm f***ing telling you to peel the goddamn apple. Peel it.
Did you notice my Sophia Nygaard just came out right there? So are you suggesting to peel the apple?
Wow, that's pretty good, Sophia.
I've been practicing. It already kind of looks like a face. Oh yeah, see look. Oh, do you want a peeler? Here, this is more appealing.
Yeah, once you've peeled everything, then you gotta dip it in this like
Everything.
lemon salt solution.
We should just add a little thing on the bottom here that says boob cam. So you go in with a carving tool and you gotta carve out some eyeballs. I got an apple with one eyeball.
I'm gonna cut my apple down a little bit.
Why are you using that knife?
Because I can.
Gotta do a little nostril here. You gotta get all up in the nose. What do you think?
Oh, wow.
He's so cute. All right, what's his name? Fred, George. Ah! Ah!
Yeah? I'm not really sure what this first one is.
It looks like an emoji, kind of. I think we did pretty good on our first tries. I'm gonna try a green apple. Do you think the different types of apples matter? Different colored apples?
I look like a fucking apple scientist. All right, dip those in a little bit of water, lemon action, and then you're good to go.
Just know what to do.
Like maybe an owl. Maybe
Owl?
a zombie.
Who the f do you think I am over here? Michelangelo? An owl.
Oh yeah, here we go, check that one out. Kind of like a little Jack Skeleton action.
So I was thinking of like a cyclops. It's cool.
Kind of half-assed if you ask me.
What?
I'm just gonna put a little fucking hole
I
here
spent
in the
a lot-
smiley face.
I spent a lot of time on the smiley face. See, what I think I'm realizing is I like to work with the apple's natural features and use what it's giving me and then work with that. There's a face here to me, you see?
Wow. Yeah, this is like a Bane almost.
I don't think that's the right knife to use there. Oh my god. See, like, what are you doing?
I'm cutting that. This is gonna be a cat.
I don't think you should use that knife.
That's the knife to use.
No, it's... Woo!
Hold on a minute. Where's the top of my
I told
finger?
you! Why'd you use that knife?
That's like the whole tip of the finger right there. I've lost the tip before.
Oh god. Was that your skin?
That's the bone.
Oh my god. You all right?
Yeah, no, I'm fine.
You sure?
You can wrap it up. I'll use the smaller one.
You don't need the.
I gotta shape the apples.
No, that's it.
This was gonna be a cat.
Yeah, it looks like a pussy for sure.
Demonetized! Well, this is my cat.
What the fuck is that?
Well, it was gonna be a little bit better before I...
Wait, hold on. I don't know what the fuck that is, but it is scary.
Let's do one more apple.
I already started this happy apple.
Apple, if you will. It kind of looks more like a hey, brah.
Oh, he's like Matthew McConaughey?
Yeah. Apple McConaughey.
That's it. Alright.
Alright, so for the next step, you're going to want to take some wire. You just insert them straight through the head of the apple.
You want to make sure it's really straight before you put it in there, because it's going to be hard to push it all the way through.
That's what she said.
It's true. Nice and smooth.
And you just tie it onto there, like so, I guess.
And you just do that 8 more times, and you got yourself a Pinterest legend. Check out them apples.
Hey-o. Alright, now we put this on for approximately, let's see, the lowest temperature possible, which is 170 degrees. You start that, and then you put the timer on for 24 hours. And
What?
Yeah, you leave it on all goddamn night. Maybe it burns the house down. Who cares?
I mean, I kind of care. I'm just...
It looks creepy as shit.
How does this look?
What? It's alright. That's it. We'll see you tomorrow. Alright, we're back. We have left the apples in the oven for 24 hours.
It's actually been like 2 days. We left them in there for 24 hours cooking, but then we turned the oven off and we kind of forgot about them.
Yeah, and we did some things. We went out. So now it's been 2-3 days.
It's about 2.5 days,
Yeah.
I would say. So stressful.
Da, 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 da.
Wow. What happened?
Oh, they smell bad.
Oh, they do smell bad.
That's gross.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a fruit fly in here too.
This one fell off.
Yeah.
Oh, they're like gross.
Oh, it's mushy.
It smells like fermented applesauce, that's for sure. But this did
That
come
one
out
looks
pretty
good.
cool.
Okay, let's take them all out.
Oh, it is mushy, huh? Are these supposed to last a long time, or you're just supposed to like take a picture of them?
Oh no.
And then that's it? So we have both of ours here. Mine are over here. Yours are over here. I feel like these are some pretty good looking apples.
These are not bad. This is
It's a masterpiece.
he's scary.
It's a scary cat.
The ears, that's a good one. That guy, he's like a mummy.
He's scary. Love the Cyclops.
God, the Cyclops is the coolest. The mouth is very Nightmare Before Christmas.
Yeah, it came out really creepy looking.
And then this is like the little mushroom guy from Mario.
It looked a lot less creepy before the oven, but this,
Brings it all together. That's a solid set of apples.
I like these apples. These are some good apples.
And now over
And
here,
then we have this
I mean, it was an experiment. is what-
ragtag group of crazy characters.
This one didn't turn out the way that I wanted them to.
We got Mr. Krabby Apple.
You crazy kid, get off my lawn! Smushy face.
Ooh, it smells.
This was my attempt at the cat.
I mean, if you don't show any of the other part of the
See?
apple.
Oh, he's cute. This may be the best one.
I like that one.
Be sure that you're subscribed.
Is he British?
Like up this video. I'm a British apple. This
I like this one a lot. See, these are like, for sure, like Muppet character faces.
And there we go. That's
Overall, it was a good effort.
That's the bunch.
I mean, my cat face is pretty good compared to questionable.
Well, you know, they need to decide down in the comments below. That's how this whole thing works. You know what I mean? I'm gonna say yours turned out great.
What are you gonna say?
Yours turned out great, but now that you put them side by side, mine look pretty good. So now I don't know.
Oh, you think you're gonna win now?
I was kind of Team Corinne before, but now I think that my creativity maybe shined a little brighter. I don't know.
Your creativity shined brighter.
Yes, it did. I don't know.
As always, though, we want to know what kind of videos you want to see us try here on the show. Let us know in the comments down below.
Be sure that you like this video, even if you didn't. And then subscribe.
Even if you don't want to.
And we'll see you around here next time.